Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix stuttering issue and lag issue in iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, if you have opened too many apps in the background, then close all the apps from the background, and after that check your iPhone storage, and if your iPhone storage is full, so free up some space from your storage, and after that your stuttering and lag issue will be solved. So if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on general. Then here click on software updates and check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest version, then update it to the latest iOS version, and after updating it will fix your stuttering or lag issue. But if it's still not fixing, then open settings again, scroll down and click on general, and then scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and here click on reset, then click on reset all settings, then enter your screen time passcode, and after that click on reset all settings to reset your all iPhone settings. So it will reset your all iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. And after resetting, restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your stuttering and lag issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.